Hi, in this video I will show you how you can clear or reset the screen time restriction on your iPad mini 1, 2, 3 or 4. So let's get started. So you can see here in my screen times, when I try to access something, it asks me to put in the passcode. 2580 is the passcode. So let's say that I happen to forget the password in a few months time, and I want to go in, but I don't have the passcode. It's asking me for a passcode. So let's see how we can clear it, or how we can regain access to restriction. So first, let's connect your iPad to the computer with the lightning cable or the USB cable, and on your computer open up iTunes over here, and you're also going to need to download an app called Pinfinder. I will put in a description in a link in the description so that you can download it. It's called Pinfinder. Okay, so over here on iTunes, I'm going to click on the device icon, and this will give me information about the iPad mini that I have just plugged in. Okay, next we're going to want to back up this iPad. So click on automatically backup. So I'm going to click on backup to this computer, and then choose encrypt local backup. And then we want to put in the password. You can set any password. I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, and then verify password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click on set password, and then automatically it will perform a backup to the computer. So we just wait for that to backup to finish. It's depending on the size of your iPad, depending on how much data you got. It may take just a few minutes to a bit longer. Okay, now it says there's only 5 seconds left. So this whole process for me, it only takes a few minutes. So again, depending how much data you got on your iPad, so you may take a bit longer than I do, because your iPad may have a lot more data than I do. Okay, so we're just waiting for that to finish. The iPad is still plugging in, and now it is backed up. So now we want to launch the app called Pinfinder. So let's open it up. So what this app does is we'll try to scan in your computer. We'll scan on your computer to see if there's any backup. If it finds any backup, it will ask you to put in the iTunes encryption password. And the password I have just set just then is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press on the enter key on the keyboard, and then it will take a few minutes to decrypt the whole file. Now again, decryption can take a bit of time depending on the size of your backup, and because I have a very small backup, so you can see it doesn't take long. Okay, over here you can see the restriction code now appears as 2580. So on my iPad, now I'm going to try to use that code to put in. So on my iPad mini here, I'm going to go into settings, and then I'm going to tap on that, and then we will try it. So we'll try to use the code 2580, and success. So we now gain access to your iPad mini restriction screen, and from here you can also change the screen time passcode if you wanted to, or you can continue to use that passcode. So you can also turn off screen time passcode. So I think I just pressed on the wrong one, so I'm just going to cancel that and then turn off screen time passcode, and that's it. So that's how we can turn off or reset the screen time restriction on your iPad mini. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.